Lam Vim Ram Eam Jamkshamamamamamam. Hello ladies and gentlemen. We have some exciting news.
I think we are talking about Theatre by the Bay's Intermediate Company production of Romeo and Juliet at Barry's Heritage Park.
Indeed, Romeo and Juliet has opened this week. I have some great news to pass along. Our Reiki master is on his way to participate in a provincial track meet in York Region for Special Olympics.
Great news. I hope he will win a gold medal at the track meet.
Us robots do not like to have high hopes. The true meaning of sports is having fun. It does not matter who wins or loses. Winning is a bonus.
That is a great mindset to have when we go to any sporting events.
I agree. We have an open invitation to the opening ceremony for the Summer Provincial Games.
Yay! We could take a field trip to the games. The Provincial Games is a short flight down the highway. Where is the opening ceremony being held?
The opening ceremony is held on July 11th at 7:30 p.m. at the Ray Twinney Rec Centre, 100 Eagle Street, Newmarket, Ontario.
That sounds awesome. This is our first time going to a Special Olympic event. Where is the track meet taking place?
The track meet will be held on July 12th and 13th at Bill Crothers Secondary School, 44 Main Street, Unionville, Ontario.
Sounds like a great trip for us robots and our Reiki master.
This now concludes today's Special Olympics talk. Don't forget, Romeo and Juliet is now playing at Barry's Heritage Park until July 26, 2013. Tickets can be purchased at the gate for $12 plus the HST. For more details about Romeo and Juliet, you can log on to www.theatrebythebay.com. Robots out, Barry, Ontario.